section 4. First of all, I want to ask you to check this video. It's about episodic memory and like different types of memory. I found it really helpful. It can help you a lot, so just check it out. So we already talked about recognition memory and recall memory. What was that? The question is here. You have to just actually understand what is the difference between recognition memory and recall memory. In a nutshell, I can say that recognition memory is just objects that you are perceiving now or events that has been encountered before. But like recall memory is just some past objects or events which is not currently present. So the way you can see the answer here is just so similar, but I will give you a cue. Recognition memory could be, let's say, some questions such as multiple choices. You can see different alternatives and you read the textbook, so you know that the answer is just right in front of you and you have to pick one. You are perceiving the answers now based on the events that you encountered before. Like, yeah, you read the textbook last night and now you can see 4 different choices. One of them could be the correct answer. But in recall memory, you don't have any cues in front of you. For example, some sort of memory test, which is all about asking you without any cues or anything. Like, let's say, open-ended question. Yeah, you read them before, but you don't have any cue right in front of you except the questions. So this is the difference. In recognition memory, you can see the answer in front of you because you are perceiving now based on the events that happened before. But in recall memory, there is no cue in front of you. This is the main difference. So there are like some cognitive tools that can help us to resolve a task in front of us. Number 1 is greater memory strategies. Number 2 is greater knowledge about memory. And the last one is cognitive structure. I'll give you 5 seconds to memorize these 12 items. So you can see that it is like dish, ball, car, shoe, book, cake, egg, bike, chair, tree, fish, clock. So you actually, I had some students who could memorize all of them, seriously. Like there was a guy in my class, he actually recalled every possible word. Oh, the task that you actually saw, like memorizing the stuff, it was a recall task because you didn't have any cue after 30 seconds to just recall the task. There wasn't any multiple choice or there wasn't an option in front of you. You have to just literally memorize them from your previous understanding. So here I'm just asking you, if you could just recall all the 12 words, what was your strategy? Some people actually, they would just repeat words over and over. Other people would just categorizing them. For example, fish with cat could be in the animal category, so you can memorize them. Or maybe riding and eating could be verbs, so again, they are in the same category. Same goes for dish, bike, cake, that kind of stuff. Probably some people put bike and chair and dish in the same category, and cake goes to the food category. I don't know. But here are just different strategies that everybody can use them. So what you have done so far, if you had any strategy, it was called mnemonic strategy or technique that people normally use to remember stuff. As children actually growing up, they learn to use different strategies and they can memorize better. And we previously actually spoke about this. For example, parents and teachers try their best to teach children different strategies as well.